Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Beeper app on Android. Turn your iMessages blue on Android. So let's get started. So if you see here Beeper is basically a messaging app. So if an iOS user message to the Beeper app, so Beeper app basically they highlight the messages as blue. Okay. So if you have sign in, just click on sign in and sign to your account. If you don't have an account, you can just click on new to Beeper, just apply for the login, and then you can join the wishlist. So basically this is the app that mixes that other things. As you can see, it is all in one app. Okay. And if you have any question related to this app, what is it used for and what is the thing it is done to our app, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.